AL-A08 can be used in restaurant, food court, coffee shop, and bar. It's user-friendly, and the size is small, easy to take, and most important, the pager can support IP67, waterproof, and dustproof. When you get this product, all the pagers are in sleeping mode, so you have to take adapter, put right behind the TCP, and turn on the switch. And you put all your pagers on the TCP to wake up all of them. Okay. First, you need to press this phone key, hold it, and turn on the switch right behind the TCP. Hold it until it shows probe mode. Then you can use the manual programming. Hello, this is our another product, LDN3. We can use this and compete with AL-A08 on paging system. You can press 9. It will show LDN3 and you press enter. Use AC key to switch it on and enter to save it. Then you can use. Now we show the whole use. Press 1.
Number 1.
That's how we use.